Unleash the power of connection. WhatsApp's multi-iOS device linking takes flight. WhatsApp Companion Mode is now available for iOS users, signaling a major transition for the messaging platform. This new feature, previously unveiled by WhatsApp, empowers users to connect up to 4 extra devices to their WhatsApp accounts. With the introduction of Companion Mode, iOS users can now enjoy seamless synchronization across multiple devices for their WhatsApp conversations. Messages received on the primary smartphone will also be efficiently delivered to the linked devices. While Android beta testers had early access to Companion Mode, iOS users can now enjoy the functionality as part of the latest update. Exciting news broke when WA Beta Info, a trusted WhatsApp feature tracker, noticed the initial rollout of WhatsApp Companion Mode on iOS. The parent company of WhatsApp, Meta, wasted no time and promptly initiated the deployment of an update to WhatsApp for iOS version 23.10.76. iOS users eagerly awaited this update as it brought the much-anticipated WhatsApp Companion Mode to their devices. To get the latest features, iOS users simply needed to update their WhatsApp app through the App Store. New update lets users link iPhones with a primary smartphone. WhatsApp for iOS 23.10.76 changelog confirms Companion Mode and setup instructions. Users can now establish iPhones as linked devices by logging out and logging in. Linking process requires WhatsApp installation and registration on the other smartphone. WhatsApp's Companion Mode offers cross-platform support for linking iPhones and Android devices. Secondary devices provide limited functionality but still grant access to chats and archived conversations. To link an iPhone running the latest version of WhatsApp to another smartphone, follow these step-by-step instructions. Begin by installing or updating WhatsApp to version 23.10.76 on your iPhone. Launch WhatsApp on your iPhone after the installation or update. Tap the option or link this device to an existing account and patiently wait for a QR code to be displayed on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your primary smartphone, which serves as the primary device for Companion Mode. On the primary smartphone, navigate to the Settings menu or tap the 3-dot menu icon. From there, select the Linked Devices option. In the Linked Devices menu, locate and choose the Link with QR code option. Using your other smartphone, scan the QR code that appears on the iPhone's screen to complete the linking process. By following these steps, users can successfully connect their iPhones to other smartphones and enjoy the benefits of WhatsApp Companion Mode. This feature enables users to stay connected and receive their messages across multiple devices, providing greater flexibility and convenience. WhatsApp's Companion Mode represents a significant step forward in enhancing the user experience. With the ability to link up to 4 devices, users can seamlessly transition between smartphones and access their messages from any of the connected devices. This is especially useful for individuals who frequently switch between multiple devices or need to stay connected while using different smartphones for various purposes. WhatsApp's evolving features like Companion Mode demonstrates its dedication to an intuitive messaging experience. Linking devices and receiving messages across multiple platforms enhances convenience and efficiency. The rollout of Companion Mode to iOS users is a significant milestone for WhatsApp. Messages received on the primary smartphone will be seamlessly delivered to the linked devices, allowing users to stay connected across multiple platforms. As WhatsApp expands its feature set, it remains at the forefront of providing a comprehensive and user-friendly messaging experience. Experience the future of messaging with WhatsApp's Companion Mode.